Location, as you can see behind me, we are already outgrowing it. We got absolutely full after just 2 months, so now we have to remodel already. So to add in more, we are tearing this place up.
Like seriously, you have a pocket cushion? Wow.
This guy. Ready to go? Okay, so look at my new burrito that I'm about to eat.
Hey dude,
Yeah, that's
Wait, look how much is already missing. Oh, almost gone. Look at this, guys. So we're tearing apart our studio already in New York City, Manhattan, in the West Village, because we opened up about 3 months ago, and we got absolutely full thanks to our amazing advertising, amazing sales team, and amazing coaches, and altogether an amazing team. Because now we are already packed, so now we have to add in 3 additional changing rooms and rearrange the whole studio to be able to fit in you guys here in West Village. So make sure to stay tuned, and I will show you what happens after this weekend. So right here we have, let me just turn this down. So we have adding in 2 changing rooms and 1 additional bathroom. So let's see what's going on here. I don't know if you guys remember this, but now this is what we're doing. Just because we just opened up this one, we already outgrown it. Behind me, we already redesigned the whole area, and we have now 3 changing rooms instead of just 1. So we can fit in more people. So after month 1 we were absolutely packed. And now we are here because we're looking at our next location at the Upper East Side to expand furthermore. But I'm actually working on something different today. Because today is Sunday, so I came into the studio because I want to create something for you guys. So we're creating this mastermind group that is going to be for personal trainers who want to eventually become gym owners or just take their current business to multiple 6 figures. And then we have one for gym owners. That is for taking it from 6 figures to 7 figures. And I know you probably heard this all the time, but this one is going to be way different. Is because this is coming from gym owners who have done it for a long time, and we are the ones who actually grown by profits, and we opened up our own studios. We still own and operate every single one of them, and we opened up on record time in under 1 month, 3.5 weeks, on budget, and make profit on month 1 when you open it. So that's just, if you want to expand, this is definitely for you. If you want to stay where you are, this is still for you, because you know, we go through from operations to profile. We're gonna go through how to publish a best-selling book, because you should all become an author, and all those things. So we're gonna do lots of things, and that's why I'm just so excited to be here right now, and that's why I came into the studio on a Sunday. So I'm just away from everyone and not at a house, and basically just here in New York City and grinding it out for you guys so we can have this mastermind group going, because I want to launch it as soon as 2020, maybe even sooner if we sell out sooner, but I want to launch it in January, and we're going to meet 4 times a year, 4 times, for 2 full days, where it's going to be really crazy just grinding it out. And then after that, every single month we're going to talk on the phone every single week, and we are going to make sure that you are actually getting things done.